Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel Analyst Asans. I'll start from today Power BI tutorial. Okay, parallelly I'm also recording the sequel. To become a data analyst, you should to be a master in Power BI and SQL and advanced Excel and Python. I'm thinking to parallel also record the session of Power BI. So in this video, I'll be teaching you what is Power BI and how you import the data from sources, how you load the data in Power BI. Also explore the Power BI layout. Okay, so let's start the video without wastage of time. So basically, what is the Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool, which is introduced by Microsoft. Okay, so Power BI is mainly like data visualization and business intelligence tool. It will allow you to connect with the multiple sources like Excel, API, cloud, and many more resource we have to connect the data. Okay, connect to data sources. So actually, uh, uh, Power BI, why we introduce the Power BI? So to make a insights from data, real insights from data, like to take a better decision making, to help the business to understand the trends of business and pattern, to take a smart decision in organization. Your manager can take the smart decision with the help of your report, and also for the report purpose definitely. And many industry right now using a Power BI and Tableau. Okay, so basically this is why we introduce Power BI introduced to to work with the millions and millions of record and create a smart report, and help to the manager to take insight from from raw data to convert in a business kind of data to take a smart decision. Basically, this is why the Power BI introduced. Okay, so let me go through the basic definition of Power BI. So Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It will help you to convert the raw data into meaningful insights and create interactive dashboards and reports and make the data driven decision. That's what I'm saying. Actually, that's what I was explained you. So when you load the data into Power BI, uh, that data is too messy. You mean you cannot imagine how messy you'll get from different sources. So you have to work on smartly. You have to clean the data and transform that data into meaningful insights, and create some apply some visible visualization and charts and all. And you just help your organization in a meaningful way to present the report, so they can analyze from that trends, like how our business grow and what will be the growing in next quarter. So because of that, so basically to making a report, we introduce the Power BI. That's all. So let me jump with the Power BI. Okay, so this is a Power BI layout. Okay, so let it load. So basically Power BI layout looks like that. Okay, so here we can, once you load the data in Power BI, it will appear here in the data section. This is a visualization, charts, graphs, and all. Here we can create the KPI. We make a matrix, and also create a slicer. Okay, you can do whatever you want to do here. You can play with the menu of charts. And I told you, like, right, the Power BI have a special advantage to connect with the multiple sources, whereas in Excel, so you cannot, connect with the multiple sources, and you cannot handle a millions of record in Excel, because once going to play with the 3 lakhs. So I have a good experience while working in Excel. So when I load in 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs data, started hanging, and also it's a very slow. And when you're going to create any dashboard, I was working with the talent acquisition team and creating a dashboard. So it take more than 50 to 60 minutes, sometime also 1 hour to cleaning the data. But in Power BI, you can do like within 20 minute or 30 minute. If you are very experienced, like me, like 7 years or 8 years, then you can create in 20 minutes, according to requirement to your manager. But guys, I just want to clarify, whenever you're creating a report, better to take all the smart points for your manager or director, like how they wants the dashboards, then you start a building. Because when you're going to without any taking a question from your manager or director, you just build a dashboard according to your analysis, then might be you have to change in that report, because it will not, they will ask you multiple questions. Why you do that? Why you do this, that? Why you not ask to me? So just what I have experience, I'm just sharing to you. Okay, so in Power BI we have a three kind of view. One is called report view, another is called table view, and a third is called model view. So in a report view, we create a report, we apply the visible charts and all. And in a report view, in a table view, you just it will appear the table here, whatever you load in. And in the model view, you create a kind of relation. So let me show you first how to connect the data from sources. So just now, right now, I have a Excel kinds of or CSV sources. So let me connect with the directly with the Excel sheets. So I have downloaded three table. One is called product table, the second is customer table, and third is order table. So let me load one by one. Okay. So wait few seconds. It will take hardly 10 seconds. Okay. So your data is ready to transform in a Power Query. So let me also show you how Power Query looks like. So once you transform the data in Power Query, it's look like that. It will took you in a different places. This is okay to transform you to play the data and clean the data. Okay, so it look like that. Okay, once you come to the Power Query, and here you can clean the data, and you can play many more things, like you can create a new sales, new columns here also. And once everything happen, then you can just apply and close. Then it will take in Power BI. Okay, Power BI layout, and it will appear here. So likewise, you can import in different table as well. Next table is my customer table, right? So let me import one by one, and let me do a direct load because I'm not going to play right now. I'm just showing to you. I'll also play this data in the next video of how you can create a chart, how you can do a beautiful, apply your beautiful charts, and apply some slicer and create a beautiful reports. I'll teach you in others video. Okay. So the third table is my report table. So I just want to show you know the relationship of this table. So as I told you, the report view here, you're gonna see the, I mean, whatever the visual you're going to apply. So let me show you, like once you're putting the category here, applying the category, it will reflect like with the let me apply with the some charts. It will like that with the product ID. So it will look like that. You can play with a lot of things you can apply here, you know uh, title and all. You can put your title according to your convenience. So this is how you can, creating the report and applying the charts and all. You can convert into a donut chart, sorry, donut chart here, and this is a pie chart, and many more. You can play with the trends as well, but this is not a good this is not a good way to, applying the trends, because here you can just apply the stack column chart will be look good to, explaining the categories. So I'll also explain the chart, okay, one by one, like when we apply which charts, so it will be meaningful. So once you, go to in table view, your data is look like this, like a excels, like a power query. You can also, play with the data while creating a dax or measure will can apply only for like a when you're applying a filter, then you can apply a measure. It will be good. It good to do a practice, like. And in this column, in this model view, you can create relations. So here the, relations is already created. Just let me show you. I'm just showing to you, just I'm deleting these relations for you only. Okay. So as I also explain you in a SQL, you know how to create the relations. According to based on column, right, common column. So here the column is common is customer ID. You just customer ID or product ID. Product ID. What is the common customer ID, customer name, and ship date? So customer ID is a common. Just take and scroll here, and it will show you the which kind of relation is creating one to many. Okay, so see the pop-up is showing headlining like you're creating the relationship of both tables. So just do the okay, and it will automatically create the relation. It means showing the direction one to many. Okay, I'll also explain. Okay, star schema, I'll also explain what is the star schema, what is fact table, what is dimension table. I'll explain one by one. Okay, so here product ID and product ID, it will create the relations like this. So for this video, I'll explain in the next video. Okay, rest things. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही करते हैं. And guys, one more thing. So please subscribe the channel if you liking my video, and help, to grow us. And thank you. I don't want to say more things.